Hey guys, in today's video I'm doing a how to apply false lashes, or like how I apply them. People do them in very different ways, but there are certain things that I never really show like in my videos when I do my makeup. Like I never show my eyebrows, I never show like certain things, and false lashes is definitely one of them. No, I don't know why I never show it, but I wanted to show you like how I apply them and how I always apply them. So if you're ever wondering like what I do, I'm gonna show you today. I also have like my base done, so I just filmed a foundation routine. So if you want to see that, I don't know when it's gonna be up, but I'm kind of like pre-filming a lot, so. And I'm not gonna be applying any eyeshadow today, just so you can really see everything that I'm doing. I don't have any tweezers. Can't find my tweezers. My pink tweezers are gone, so I'll just have to use these. But yes, I'm gonna show you basically what I do every single time I apply my lashes. I'm gonna zoom you in a lot. I don't really have like a specific brand of lashes that I like. I tend to go for a lot of the House of Lashes lashes, like they just keep coming to me. I have tried 3 pairs of House of Lashes and I do really like them. I've had the Talias for a really long time, probably like too long to where it's kind of gross, but I only use them in my videos. I have never actually worn false lashes out of the house, like I just don't wear them. I mean, I'm only 16, I just don't really do my makeup crazy when I go out, but I have practiced them a lot inside. I'm not really too picky when it comes to false lashes. I like my lashes to be very fluttery and like, I don't want plastic lashes, like really cheap. I tend to go for like ones that are more feathery like this. I find the House of Lashes are a little bit pricey. I think the Ardell has some really good drugstore lashes. I use the magnetic ones all the time. I've used a lot of Ardell lashes and I think they're really good. They don't last as long and like hold up as good as the House of Lashes ones. The House of Lashes are like 30 bucks, so that's insane. I have never actually paid $30. I find like the House of Lashes Sephora brand is like a lot cheaper. It's like $14 per lash, but I got these in BoxyCharm, so you know I'm not paying $30 for lashes. No. The ones I'm going to be applying today are the House of Lashes in Bombshell. I have pre-cut them and shaped them to my eye, and whenever I cut these lashes, I cut them from the inner corner. Sometimes I will do the outer corner as well to kind of like even them up, but mostly I'm going to cut it from the inner corner. And whenever you apply them like how you look. You know, like this one goes on this side, this one goes on this side, you know? And whenever I'm like mapping out where I should cut my lashes, I always like lay it on my eye and then kind of just see, but you kind of just do like a rough estimate and kind of just cut little at a time. I think that's the biggest thing when you're cutting your lashes. Do a very small amount at a time until you get like your perfect length. And if you find that they're a little bit too uncomfortable in your eye, then you might need to cut some more off and then it'll be a lot more comfortable. It's a mistake that I made a lot in the beginning, as I didn't cut my lashes short enough and I would like mess my inner corner a lot, like it kind of poke and like hurt a little bit. And then what I like to do is, once I've done my eyeshadow, or I mean today I'm not doing eyeshadow, but once I've done my eyeshadow is when I'll apply my lashes. And I don't ever do it before because it just gets in the way. And I also do not apply mascara before I do my lashes. A lot of people will apply mascara before and then put their lashes on top of the mascara, but I find that it just doesn't work for me. I find it's really hard, so I do my lashes super easy. So yeah. Okay, so to actually apply the lashes, I'm going to use my House of Lashes lash glue. I also make a like black one, I believe, but I like the white one because it dries down clear and you cannot see it at all. So I like clear lash glue the best. I have never tried a black one, but I don't think I'd like it. So, and then I just lightly rim the top. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for these to dry. I don't really know how long I wait, probably like about a minute from the dry if I'm just letting them sit. Probably like 30 seconds of like blowing on them and like shaking them and make them dry faster, but I just wait for like the glue to be kind of more like really blue and kind of clear looking. So I definitely think the biggest thing is to wait for your lash glue to dry, like not completely, but almost completely. You know, you have to know like that right time with your lash glue, and you kind of have to get to know your lash glue a little bit. And then whenever that happens, I just pop it in the middle and then go on and like, you know, zoom you all the way in. And that's pretty much it. Press it down. I find the inner corner is definitely the hardest part. Like on this eye, my inner corner like dried up too quickly, I guess. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes you have good lash days and sometimes you don't. So yes, that's pretty much it for the lashes. And once they've dried a little bit, maybe like another minute, like they're completely on my eyes, I will take a mascara now and connect them. I always do this after. I just find it's a lot easier to kind of map out where your eye is, like getting it really close to the lash line I find is really a lot easier when you don't apply mascara first. So I'm doing it after. And I find it really doesn't like mess up my lashes. A lot of people say that it'll like take longer out of your lashes, but I find it works fine for me. Just apply like a thin coat just to blend my natural lashes in with the falsies. And then once that is completely dry, I will go into an eyelash curler, and sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I feel like the lashes don't really like mold to my eye in the perfect ways. Like I find this one is like kind of sticking out on my inner corners. I just got these pear lashes out, so they're not really like molding to my eyes the greatest. So I take my eyelash curler and I kind of just curl my lashes, just to get them like really lifted and like perfect. I also find that it helps a lot with just blending my natural lashes in, making them look like really hidden. Because sometimes like the outer corner, like my natural lashes will kind of like come down a little bit, and then you can kind of really tell, but that's pretty much it. I'm gonna take like a black eyeliner and tight line right here so you cannot see any skin peeking through. Like in the inner corners, I struggle with that the most. So using the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Crayons in the black shade. This is like my favorite eyeliner for anything. The only kind of eyeliner that I can apply and put it like right on the upper waterline and it won't transfer down to the bottom waterline. Like no other eyeliner I've ever tried has done that before. I really like these. And then one thing I wanted to say is definitely like practice helps a lot with lashes. In the beginning I wasn't really good at them, but now I'm definitely like really good. Like I don't have to apply eyeshadow and you can't really tell like I have like a lash band on. I find like I feel like it just looks really seamless and really natural on my eyelashes. Like practice does help a lot with anything in makeup. So yes, Riley. And whenever you get them like in the packaging like for the first time, they're like glued to this, definitely be like really careful when you're applying them, like cutting them off, because it is very easy to like break them when you're trying to pull them off these things, I find. So I don't know why they glue them on so tight, but it's definitely really easy to break them. So be very careful and gentle with your lashes. So yes, that was this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and like it before you leave. And if you want to see more videos from me, I upload most Mondays and Fridays. So if you want to see those videos, then stay tuned. Other than that, I'll see you in my next one. Bye. And one more thing I wanted to mention is, if you're wondering how to get the lashes off, like how hard does it hurt type of thing, it does not hurt and it's really easy to get them off. Okay. And again, be like really gentle when you take them off. And once the lash glue has kind of like hardened, I kind of peel it off so that I have like a nice clean band when I apply my lashes again. And then I always keep the container that they come in and I put them right back in, ready to apply next time. I covered everything. I don't really know. I said bye, it's really weird. No. So, yes, I was